Hello everyone, Cheryl Ann here, and I thought I would show you this is a tote bag I'm making for myself. It's my prototype. It's the first one I've done like this, but I have made so many snippet rolls, and I thought, well, why can't I just make a tote bag that's similar and has all different kinds of fabrics and things on it. So I'm trying this one. So this will be the back. I love this little one with the sunflowers and the little birds. This has some of my favorite pieces. I love this sunflower with the red and white checks and the butterflies and the sunflowers with the bees. So this is either the front or the back. It doesn't really matter because it's reversible. And then this is the front. See, there's the sunflowers with the little bird. There's a huge sunflower piece. I've been saving this for something special. But the really neat thing about this one is I used different stitches and different colors of thread, and I just got to play and experiment and not have to worry that, it has to be perfect. I love this one. So I got to try out some stitches on my brother's sewing machine that I've been, hesitant to try. That one has a little bit of red. Oh, here, this little crisscross one, cross stitch. I really like that one. And here it is in black thread. So it's taken me a long time. What I did yesterday was I cut the pieces out and I used my glue stick. Here, I used my Scotch Create glue stick just to lightly hold the fabric down, because when I'm sewing, I don't like to have to press down the fabric. I like to have it, and it also I let it sit overnight, and then I come back and look at it and see how everything is. But see, this is my side, so that's the side fold here. And that's the side fold. I did it with pencil. The side fold there. So I'll stitch along. Well, here, let me show you here. This is what I do. I love these little clips. I'll show you my box of them. They're perfect for sewing. In fact, I watched a tutorial where a gal was making her bag, and I think they come 100 to a little tin. It's on Amazon. I just type in plastic clips. But these things have teeth on them that they really hold. So I love these. So I'm just putting it here in place, and what I did was, I don't know if you can even see it. It's on the other side. Yeah. Sorry, I have to get organized. I took my ruler and I did this. This is gonna be my stitching line. There. There's one here. There's one on the bottom. And this one is here. And then, so you stitch the right sides together, and then you flip it out. Oh, and I also have, for this one, I do have one of my snippet rolls that I've already measured where I'm going to put it. I'm going to put it right there, so it'll have this nice interior pocket. Now, I have not learned how to line these yet, unfortunately. I just, I hate to admit it, but I'm really insecure as a seamstress. I mean, I could do straight lines and I can do stuff like this, but lining, I get nervous and I bite my fingernails, and I don't have any fingernails left. So, but this one has, see, I glued everything and then stitched it to muslin. So it's got a double layer. So it's already pretty thick. I think the next one I make though, I'm going to use some of the duck cloth, this color, the tan duck cloth, because it's a light canvas and it's a little heavier. So anyway, that's what I'm up to today. I may have to babysit all day tomorrow. So I don't know how much I'll get done tomorrow. We shall see. Okay, until next time, if you have any questions, do let me know. Till next time, bye for now.